Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to draw Kakashi Hatake sharingan from the anime Naruto. That's right, my friends, I started drawing Kakashi's ear from the middle of the A4 sheet. Now I'm going to do the details inside the ear, those folds. That's it, my friends, let's continue. So that's it, finishing up the ear for now. And now I'm going to do his mask, which is very easy to do. Starting here from the tip of the ear to his nose, and then I'll also do the headband of his bandana. I'll also start doing the ends of the guy's hair, here near the ear. Let's move on, friends. Alright, right now, I'm going to continue making his mask up to this point, okay? Right here at the beginning of his nose, I'll do the eye details later. I'll now do the ends of his hair here, at the nape of his neck in the back, then I'll move on to doing his face. Okay friends, I'm drawing Kakashi's eyebrows here. And right after that I'll draw the eyes, especially the sharingan eye with that scar he has. So that's it, let's continue this drawing. Friends, right now I'm drawing the pupil of the guy's eye, the sharingan eye. It's looking really good. What about you? And let's add details to the drawing. I'm going to draw the hair that's over the headband of his bandana. Let's continue this drawing, and here I'm continuing the headband up to here, and soon I'll draw that leaf symbol from the anime. Okay, let's keep going. That's it guys, our drawing is taking shape. This stage is practically finished. I'll just add a few details here, like some lines and shadows, and then I'll do the rest of this Kakashi drawing. So let's keep going my friends. Okay, right now, I'm going to draw Kakashi's nose, which is covered by the mask. The tip of the nose comes up to here, and I'll draw it all the way to the beginning of the lips with that lip curve. Here I am doing the lower lip, adding some shading details, continuing up to his chin. I'll add some shading details now. Okay guys, right now, we're going to the last stage of the drawing. I'm working on part of his uniform vest. I'm also doing the ends of his hair now. Very cool. Let's finish it up, guys. My friends, we're almost finished with this drawing of Kakashi. I'm going to add a lot of details here to make it really good, like the fold of his chin, and some shading lines. Hey guys, that's it, the drawing is finished. Kakashi Hatake sharingan from the Naruto anime, looking upwards. It turned out really cool. What did you think? See you in the next video.